bá ń yí ẹja máa bá wọn yí torí ọ̀pọ̀ àgbà láti so finally ó ti kúrò ní ìtàtijọ́ Ìṣọ̀lá Àtúndé mú sùúrù àìlámi òṣùwà o aládé ìwúra o ìwọ lọ́pẹ́ yẹ bàbá o ìwọ lọ́pẹ́ yẹ o ìwọ lọ́pẹ́ yẹ. Lokisha, introduce yourself.
Jiro geneme. Jiro geneme. Shakara.
Okay, people, that's a sign of where they. If you go Yaba left, some of the people
they
where
sing
they
gospel song like Yaba left.
I'm coming.
Who won't Chris now for inside all of us?
You get one man for Joel.
Go church.
Go church. Wait a word. I want to tell you the difference between evangelism and Chris. This man they carry Bible inside all song. He dey waka for that to Joel Legba. You know they change in clothes for like if you waka pass you, the other way go pass you. And evangelism. You understand?
That is the order that can break you.
So not be saying you just dey sing gospel song make you Christian. You sit down. What you are meant to do, you are paid for this. To introduce the program and then we start. Then you start singing.
Now your introduction. Nobody want like I go introduce the show.
Because if now small thing doesn't have village people na cause am. If person wey hire you come here now, they sack you. Say you didn't introduce the show, you started singing. You say that village people, so therefore.
Now your show. Nobody I tell like I introduce the show. You see now my introduction.
The guys.
I will introduce my show the way I want to. Okay, I don't want to introduce the show today. If you not the watch us, and I know the show, not the watch. My name is Alenu. Introduce yourself.
MC Shaggy. Otoni.
Okay, since we introduce ourselves one, Matt Duade Shakara wants now welcome to I the Red, the show we carry 4 drivers and 1 steering. We dey go the same
4 steering.
4 drivers, 1 steering. No, Shakara, you do the
My
name is Lucky Child. Welcome.
Shakara, Shakara, introduce the show.
So therefore, show don't start with that. My name is Shakara. And I welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is my favorite.
Hey, we're not the cool TV.
Who be this?
Who be this?
Small English. We person say they tell me speak.
I know they give you problem for life. My people, now welcome to I the Red. This is the program where we get 4 steering, 4 driver. All of us direct to one destination to make your belly sweet. My name is Aleno, and I day here with my brothers. Of course, people where we see their craze past my own. MC Shaggy, Lucky Child, and Shakara, aka the comedy Taliban. Have you?
No, it never changed.
Okay.
Remain like that.
He's still a comedy.
No, they came there plenty. 3-star comedy general upgraded to 5-star comedy general. AKA the comedy Balotelli. AKA Super Mario. You know what I'm talking about?
Allen. Why not? Yes. No, I know the way the show they start from laugh out loud because who don't laugh here already before I enter to you don't want. Today laugh out loud program is say beggars. Now scammers. You agree or you don't agree? Look this video. When we come back, we go know whether you don't agree or not.
Of the Lord.
I'm a FOC, I see free of charge. Freely give.
See,
this is a gospel song now.
Maybe that it depends on what you do the previous week. Then they make you know, sing gospel song where I go we just look down. And God is very merciful.
Go forgive them.
God said, you don't even need to sing much. If you only ask, say, Daddy, please forgive me. It's enough for God to forgive you.
Yeah.
Even
but this guy, this beggar case now.
This
God
guy,
will forgive
this Mutula with the sing since he never make me
go
inside the video where we don't watch now. Because I
of the Mutulas.
The 12 for that because on that case now what's past that guy only.
I tell you.
That guy will be scam like this, where we say in leg day, he deform this thing. If they catch that kind of guy, you know what they're supposed to do. Just test small hard leg, no day. Most start with 1 leg. But they cut 1.
So Shakara, when are you go to the station? I go to call me Mutula.
No, wait, all the stories Shakara they talk about that
I don't blame you. I don't really blame you. Because to say Buhari quick choose ministers, I for the Abuja now. You talk anyhow.
Now by
You talk to me anyhow.
Now by size.
Come here, you did the television now. You talk anyhow to me. You come in with
Wait, now by size, they retain shoes minister. Nine daily Momodu see they follow Buhari anyhow. They never call am. No, if not by size. You know what I'm saying? Daily Momodu, then they snap.
No, because you know the truth, they talk to me anyhow.
No. House of Assembly is okay.
Wait,
It's okay.
about this way, Buhari
No
pay
fight.
the for Hello to reason outside, come they meet you, go and call her. Mutula. It's all joy, it's all joy. It's all joy. But for henceforth, anywhere we see beggars, I not pity them.
Nah, some
Beggars don't use money build house.
Yes, no, of course
They
no.
don't use money buy land.
So you're saying the begging is a good career?
No.
Begging,
You need to encourage begging now.
Who?
You now.
You know you have it at all.
Some beggars don't use money builders. So
Yes.
more go join them now.
No.
And they don't say no compete them again.
No, why? What shall we not pity them again? Person beg, use the money, do better thing. He build house, he buy land. If they say beg, now carry the money, they enter club. They pop champagne.
They run. Then they carry those things.
They carry a shower.
No one can like it, don't venture.
They're not the one that says you know they talk to. Never call your people. You only call drink, dance. You don't call your guys there.
Your colleagues. What else do I do?
People will be their life patron.
If you are manager.
Chaka get award now, honorary award. Nigerian Association. NPA.
Because it is order of the Niger.
NPA.
Order of the Niger for
MON.
MON.
Yes, member of the.
Shapiro.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I this English they go deceive them. Anyway, all those beggars them. Yeah, I will not say thunder will fire you, but let thunder have his way. Yes, because you those beg the ones where they are nominal, those already speak English. Hello, I'm sorry. One don't meet me for bank before. Wow, nice shoes. Are they Zara? I said no.
Even though
Wow,
the
they
maid.
look like Zara. I said, you know, they talk, they go, I not answer. I say, please, I don't know how possible it is. I've been trying to get money from Western Union, but apparently one of the numbers they sent for me from over there is wrong. So I'll know. I've been trying to reach the person, but his phone keeps going to voicemail. I don't know if you have about 10,000 naira. I need to get to VI.
How much?
10,000 naira.
You know what I'm going to do with my account to reach 10,000?
10,000 to go VI.
10,000 to say go VI.
You know describe VI
Shipping
giver.
one
You know describe VI giver. 10,000 naira. And then they get choice nowadays. We don't say beggars has no choice. This one they get choice.
They will say they
Imagine
give
10,000
you 15 naira. I know the answer.
No, yes, now that one, they reject them. They call you.
Is it because I'm begging?
Jesus.
You get one
What
day
can 15
now.
naira buy?
Is it because begging like
You
seriously?
get one day I give her 100 naira and I say, Shaggy, be big boy, yo.
Even though your name.
Why they give me 100 naira? Not get a 500 1K for
The beggar know your
Yes,
name.
I know my name.
You patronize her like that.
So Nigeria Beggars Association, if people should wanna come together, more know the real beggars and the fake ones.
Yes, you people need to start to recognize the imposters.
Yes.
Yes.
May not be like that one where they beg, where leg they pretend say leg no good. They can't go see them for another place they walk away. Nice say don't close.
They go on, they close.
I bet my people now so we done by this is our laugh out loud segment where we show a video we go tutorial now before we enter to read the way we walk on top this Ogbonge program. My name is still Eleno, I still get Shaggy, Shakara, and of course Lucky Shine in the house. Go enter break small, drink small water, we will come back. We shall be continuing. We is coming back. Brah!
Bro!
Allah.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.